Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Prime Video on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Prime Video application on your Android device, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up Play Store. In the search box, type in Prime Video with the help of your keyboard. Once you make a search, you'll be able to see this application displayed at the very top on the next page that says Amazon Prime Video. To download the app, tap the install button in green right next to the app. Now, all you need to do is to wait for the application to be downloaded and installed, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. After the installation is completed, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Tap on it to launch Open Amazon Prime Video app on your Android. Now you can simply go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number followed by the Amazon password to get access to your Prime Video account. That was how you can easily download Prime Video application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.